Nothing Phone 2a ready to revolutionize budget smartphones, launch date set for March 5th. Nothing, the innovative tech company, is gearing up to disrupt the budget smartphone market with its highly anticipated Phone 2a, set to be unveiled on March 5th. This follows the company's earlier announcement in a community update video, where it hinted at its foray into the affordable smartphone segment. Carl Pei, co-founder of Nothing, expressed the company's dissatisfaction with the current state of budget smartphones, claiming that many are designed to appear superior on paper but fall short in reality. The Phone 2a aims to challenge this trend by prioritizing substance over mere specifications. Pei pointed out flaws in competitors' phones, such as the prevalence of bloatware and misleading advertising tactics found in cheaper Android devices. He emphasized the use of materials like polycarbonate being brushed up as metal, highlighting the lack of authenticity in the current market. To provide a sneak peek into the Phone 2a, Chris Whiteman, the industrial designer at Nothing, shared insights in a recent video. Whiteman emphasized that the Phone 2a has been crafted from scratch to introduce something entirely new and fresh to the market. The circular camera visor, a departure from previous dual-array setups, promises a unique visual appeal. In a surprising move, Whiteman revealed that the design inspiration for the Phone 2a comes from Massimo Vignelli's iconic New York subway map. The device's transparency design, a distinctive feature despite its budget status, adds an element of sophistication. The glyph interface, a trademark of Nothing phones, will continue to be a crucial element in the Phone 2a. However, Whiteman hinted at differences in its implementation compared to the Phone 2, enhancing the user experience. Carl Pei confirmed the March 5th launch date and emphasized the company's active promotion of the Phone 2a on social media. With its commitment to breaking the mold in budget smartphones, Nothing aims to cater to the needs of young and creative thinkers who appreciate attention to detail and authenticity.